It seems as though drones are everywhere these days, with local photographers increasing their revenue by providing unique photography services, the use of drones in the media, viral videos and of course social media influencers creating engaging content with gorgeous shots and video footage. Have you ever considered buying a drone? And what are the benefits of someone like you investing in such an expensive piece of equipment? You'll find a great range of drones and accessories by visiting this dedicated site. There are of course legal restrictions and you also need a license to control one in a public area, so before you purchase a drone you're going to need to conduct a little research and partake in a little planning. If you need a little more convincing, read on for 5 reasons you should definitely buy a drone in 2020. See things differently as a photography enthusiast or someone who is inherently curious. When you purchase a drone you get to experience a new and different perspective and the world around you. You may be familiar with your hometown and local haunts, but have you ever seen them from above? These breathtaking views are rarely seen by anyone, and when you invest in a drone, you get to explore and rediscover areas you thought you knew everything about. The social community, believe it or not, but the world of drone ownership has an extensive online community that's bursting with hints, advice and people hoping to share their work with others searching for help on various projects. Whether you're a beginner or you quickly become an expert, there's always the opportunity to learn more from those with the same interests as you. Clubs and societies are springing up everywhere, making the social community that comes with being a licensed drone owner very appealing indeed. Incredible video footage. Ever thought about creating your own film? Or branching out into professional videography? The beauty of a drone is that you get to experience incredibly smooth video footage that simply cannot be matched by any other equipment. From stunning aerial footage to faultless footage around cliffs and shorelines, you can even capture stunning film during family moments such as weddings and even those precious holiday adventures. You can make money as mentioned above. Branching out into videography with a drone certainly gives you an edge over your competitors. With a drone you can advertise your services as a unique wedding photographer, videographer. You can work freelance and offer your services to estate agents and property developers. Even businesses who want a unique advertising campaign could look towards using drone footage of their premises to make them stand out. The market is expansive and very lucrative. Stand out on social media. Are you desperate to stand out on social media? Whether you're hoping to make it as a professional photographer and you want your uploads to create the stir, or you want to impress your friends and family with your drone capabilities and skills, purchasing a drone is a great investment.